Find the first non-repeating character given a particular string. As an example, we have if we have the string teacher, we'll have to see which character is the first one that does not repeat itself. So in this instance, T, we can see T, it doesn't repeat itself. So it's the first one that doesn't repeat itself. And then we have a E occurs twice, so it's repeating itself. And then we have A, that's also repeating itself. Then we have a C and an H, that's also not repeating themselves, or occurring only once in this instance. But it's the second and the third one. The first one that really doesn't repeat itself is that doesn't repeat itself for the first time is actually the character T. Now open your IDEA, go to your package and say new Java class, and we will call it first non-repeating character finder. Then you'll have your normal main method, so we can test. Let me just introduce a method for a change, and then we'll call it get first non-repeating character, and then it should receive the string s as an argument. So what we'll do is we rather deal with characters than to deal with the string. So we'll first of all convert the string into a character array. And also the other trick is that we need to get the first one that does not repeat itself. So we need to maintain some sort of order when we put values into a data structure. So we're going to have a data structure that will help us in terms of storing the key value pair. So for instance, if we have T, maybe we'll have the fact that it appears once, so we'll have a count of 1, and then maybe if we have an E, we'll have count of 2. So we need to store these values somewhere in memory, so we'll use a data structure that will help us with that, and then we'll use linked hash map rather in this case, because it's it maintains order, which is what we're looking for. And then say map, and then we'll have a new hash map new, sorry, rather linked hash map. And then what we'll need to do now is we need to go through the characters and put them in the map. So what we do is we'll say for each character C in the characters array, what we need to do is we need to say that if that character is not in the map, then we need to add it to the map, because it doesn't exist in the map. So we have to add it, and maybe we need a counter, maybe int count, if we start from 0, and then we can just say plus count, so that we move from 0 to 1. Otherwise it means that the character is already in the map. Then what you need to do is just get the value, and add 1 to that value, because it will be appearing for the second time now. Now after we have done these, For now, just do a return of 0 here, just so it doesn't complete. So now, after we have inserted everything into the map, we need to get the value, that the first value that does not repeat itself. So let's go inside the map, the linked hash map of character, and in T you will just call this an entry inside the map dirt entry set. So if entry dot get value is equals to 1, so the first one that we get, or the first value of a character that is equal to 1, it means is the 1, because we need the first one that occurs. So then we need to return that character, and then so let's just do the testing, try and test this. So we'll do this, the first non-repeating character is, and then we'll do this, call our method, and then we'll give it a value of teacher. To begin with, you can put in anything. I'm just giving the one that is in our example, so you can see T is the one that doesn't repeat itself. I mean, even in the letter or the word character, you can tell that C appears twice, and then H appears only once. So if we were to run this, we should have H as our result. Right, this works as expected.